Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by getting control of your input. Lower mouse sensitivity, confirm ADS is bound, and equip the Dragunov. Once done, press the aim button, usually right mouse, to enter ADS. This is your base zoom. Make sure crosshair and HUD elements aren't hiding scope details. If the weapon doesn't visibly zoom, do not panic. Check bindings and continue to the next step to adjust game zoom and FOV so the scope behaves as expected. Now you edit zoom behavior. Open the IGI config file in the game directory. Make a backup first. Change the FOV or zoom level entries in small steps. Lower FOV increases perceived zoom, so try increments of 5 to 10 degrees. Save and relaunch the game to test. Use the mouse wheel or your assigned secondary zoom key to cycle zoom stages while aiming. You'll repeat edits until the Dragunov sight. Finish by testing across maps and ranges, adjusting recoil control and timing while scoped. Once satisfied, lock your config and store a backup. If zoom still fails, revert to the backup, then re-edit using even smaller FOV changes. Sometimes the engine ignores large jumps. Also make sure no other key bindings conflict with the zoom key. Inspect bindings. In-eye or controls in-game. If visuals are distorted, reset HUD scale and try again. This usually resolves scope clipping or misalignment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.